for your hosts for January Assembly. Hi, I am Dawson. Our first awards are the Wildcats of the Month and our Service Above Self. The Wildcat of the Month is given to 2 students in 1st, 2nd, and 3rd grade. The Service Above Self award goes to a 3rd grader who gives back in some way. Here's our counselor, Mr. Graver, to present these awards.
Hey Wildcats, Mr. Graver here to announce our award winners for January. So we'll start with our Service Above Self, which goes to a 3rd grader who goes above and beyond. So this month's recipient of the Service Above Self Award is Raylan Rogers. Congratulations to Raylan. Our next awards are our Wildcats of the Month, which we give to 1st graders, 2nd, and 3rd. So the recipients for 1st grade are Aubrey McGee and Isaac Ritter. Our 2nd grade Wildcats of the Month are Lily Tomlinson and Luke Botorf. And finally, our 3rd grade Wildcats of the Month are Dallas Ali and Gray Hedderly. So congratulations to all those winners. And finally, Mrs. Sumner and I always look for a 1st grade or a counseling class that we feel demonstrates respect and kindness and really participates in the discussion. So this month's counseling award goes to the 1st grade class of Mrs. Hearn. Congratulations, guys.
I'm Lola. I want to tell you about our Bright Futures barrel collections for February. We are collecting notes of kindness to be given to students taking state tests.
I am Ella. Next up are our character trait winners. The character trait award are given to 2 students chosen by their class or teacher who have exhibited self-confidence during the month of January. Here's our coach to announce this month's winners.
Thank you. And now I'm going to list off the character trait winners for January. Amelia Hillbrandt, Christian Snow, Odin Gafford, Brody Roth, Natalie Jackson, Caden Riley, Logan Taylor, Bowen Culpepper, Riley Plummer, Albert Obermiller, Evelyn Mueller, Aiden Lazier, Matthew Dickman, Raiden Morgan, Wesley Lawson, Braden Bass, Callan Bechtel, Carly Scoville, Elijah Long, Hazley Burgess, Davina Korf, Jax Clifford, Adeline Roberts, John Ekstrom, Jeremiah Sims, Natalie Beggs, Lily Roberts, Jason Goddard, Treble Briner, Esther Ledovchenko, Mason McCroy, Ensley Morris, Wyatt Bird, Marley Morris, Eris Peterson, Thomas James, Kendall Aviles, Andreas Lamelli, Brody Schnuth, Alea Stout, Oliver Holland, Stella Saunders, Olivia Brummer, and Tommy Hall. Great job, guys.
Hi, I'm Malachi. Our spring book fair is 1 month away, March 4th through 6th. We'll also have a family night on March 6th at 5 p.m. Our 1st graders will be performing that night. More information will be sent home soon.
I'm Max, and our mathematicians of the month is next award. This award is given to 1 student chosen by their classroom teacher that has done an outstanding job within math over the past month. Here is Assistant Principal Mr. Hall to announce our winners.
All right, thank you. So the mathematicians for January, for 1st grade, we have Henry Stevens, Maylee Ingracia, Caden Vitale, Case Schluter, Adeline Schmitter, Reagan Carver, and Cortez Gonzalez. For 2nd grade, we have Braden Bass, Mason Krabs, Maddie Schroeder, Phoebe Hogan, Oliver Moreland, Cameron Lakey, Ari Johnson. And for 3rd grade, we have Ava Coakley, Ben Brown, Parker Jackson, Caleb Van Alst, Trey Sweeney, Allie McFadden, and Easton Anderson. And we also have for French Ward, Bo Starforth, and for Miss Doherty's class, Tommy Hall. Congrats, guys.
Lexi, and I'm here to introduce our special teachers to present their awards. Here are Mrs. Holman, Mrs. Norman, Coach McInnes, and Mrs. Bauman.
Hello Wildcats, this is Miss Norman and I'm here to tell you the Students of the Month for music this month. In first grade we have Judson Lucero from Miss Caldwell's class, and in second grade we have Paisley Coots from Miss Peters' class, and in third grade we have Ava Baldwin in Miss Dudley's class. Congratulations and keep up the good work.
Hello HES, Coach Mack here, and I'm excited to announce the PE Sportsmanship Award winners for the month of January. So the first grade class winner is Mrs. Brown's class, the second grade class winner is Miss Skoleski's class, and the third grade class winner is Miss Comfort's class. Congratulations Wildcats, keep up the great work.
Good morning, Wildcats. This is Mrs. Lahman from the library, and for the month of January, I am giving the award to a class that has shown kindness and respect to each other and to me, which is very appreciated when they come to the library. That is to Mrs. Kirch's third grade class. Congratulations.
Hello Wildcats, I'm so excited to announce the classes who displayed amazing creativity. Congratulations to Mrs. Mitchell's, Mrs. Gerke's, and Mrs. Dudley classes. Have a great day.
Finally, I'm Carson, and we want to remind you that we have 2 days off this month. One is this Monday and the other is next Monday, February 17th. Have a great day. Have a great 3-day weekend. Chiefs rule.
My students will love to share their favorite Chiefs players.
Travis Kelce,
Patrick Mahomes.
Patrick Mahomes,
Xavier Worthy.
Patrick Mahomes,
Patrick Mahomes.
Patrick Mahomes.
Isaiah Pacheco, Patrick Mahomes,
D-Hop.
Xavier Worthy,
D-Hop.
Xavier Worthy, Patrick Mahomes,
Travis Kelce,